Dear OptoFidelity, I'm writing this letter to you because I fear I am about to lose my best friend. We used to be like two peas in a pod, so happy. Scratch of the neck a bit. We spent days upon days playing in the park, scratching of the belly. Annual happy hat time. Maybe some scratching? And he put up with my bullshit, as I put up with his. When he did the dropping of the ball, I helped him. I thought we would be inseparable. I was wrong. My friend joined some kind of clan of the nerds. Park time, 0. Scratch time, 0. Life has become unbearable. Nothing makes sense. Since I heard you have a very particular set of nerd skills, you might be able to turn this situation around. Thank you, OptoFidelity. Sincerely, your friend, François.